Hi guys, today we're going to be doing Me Too by, what's this again? Meghan Trainor. This is going to be the dance. And
People think I have makeup, but it's this.
And no mean comments, because if you do, I will to our parents.
Yeah.
And plus, I'm 15. I just look small on the camera. Okay, let's start.
Like my friend said.
Stop. Who's that sexy thing I see over there? That's me, standing in the mirror. What's that icy thing hanging around my neck? That's gold. Show me some respect. I thank God every day. That I woke up feeling this way. I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too.
I failed.
I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. Like a dime piece. True. I thank God every day. That I woke up feeling this way. I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. Nuh-uh. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. Wanna be me. Thank God every day, that I woke up in this way. I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. Nuh-uh. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. 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 If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like at the bottom of the link. Bye.